Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the 2 screws at the front of the base cover and remove the 6 screws securing the cover. Pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find the battery cable and remove the piece of tape. Unplug the cable. Identify the wireless module and remove the 2 screws. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to remove the module from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch and tighten the 2 screws to secure the module. Reconnect the battery cable and reattach the piece of tape. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 8 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.